Hi friends, today I make the tutorial for this round shape round bar in the zigzag shape. This is a problem from a viewer who sent me to solve it. How can we make it? So I decided to make a video about it. So now let's start. So first we view the shape of this. There is we shows the curvature of the round shape. It is the main important, but how can we create like this, actually like this? I'm using the simplified the spline and using the curvature. About this is okay. There we can read it. It's the full length, its pitch, its sizes, etc, etc, and here is the displacement of round bar in zigzag shape. This is a 2.85. So now let's start. I open the file and the my Siemens NX. File open. I give it a name and the location. So is a desktop tutorial. Okay, now this is our shape. So I'm started from this 2D. See how I'm choose this plane in the sketch environment. I make the circle. This size is 24. This is a 24 dia circle. Okay, this is the round bar. Dia is the 16.9. Okay, so we create it. 16.9 and here, but there is distance is the 2.85. This is downside and same is the upside 2.85. This is the actual displacement position in the zigzag. This is the minimum lowest point, this is the highest point. So about the 2D drawings ready for the round shape bar. This is for the base and this is for the round bar in zigzag shape. So let's start. We make the datum. We need to create the datum points. There is a main point here. There is a displacement 40. Here we make every 20 just for this and this location, lowest, highest and lowest position. We make the planes. We make the 10 planes. Why 10 planes? Because there is only need 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, mostly 5 or 6, but for the spline curvature we need the more. I show you why I created. Okay, let's there is some problem in my mouse, but okay. Now this is the 10 planes. Okay, we make another datum planes from the reverse side, same distance. Reverse side there is, we need only 5 is okay, 6 create. Okay, now we projected the small circle at small circle positions on the different datum planes about the highest point or lowest point as per the highest point and the lowest point. So we go to the surface, projected curve, select curve or point. Okay, which is the object, the highest point. This is approx 20, maybe here First, this is 40, no. 60, yes. 80, no. 100, yes. 120, no. 140, yes. Sorry. Again 140. Same we take for behind. Mm, there is the highest point. Make this, make this, make this. Okay, apply. Now we choose the lowest point, and same we choose the rest of the datum planes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Okay. This is a plane create. I'm create this is the for the create a zigzag line by center point of the rod or circle. We choose the studio spline. We take degree 5. Now let's start. First center point, second, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the uppermost point. Now there we use the lowest point. Here up, low, up, low, up, low, up, low, up, low. This is okay. This is the set on magnitude. This is our, you can specify the SPS on which plane we created. We created on this plane. Okay, constraint to plane. This is okay. Now here we choose the F. So here we are the here, and we choose the point for the view, this view. Why I choose the more datum planes? Because we need the highest point on the this position, so we created this. Because on starting point, this is the curvature is the not normal according the highest or lowest point. Same both sides. There is a highest point here, but this plane is here. There is a highest point, this plane highest point plane here. So in between this area there is the maximum we get the lowest point highest point approx position, but maybe there is some problem show. We edit it and choose the degree. This is the 4, 3, 6, 7, 8. This is goes out. We choose 4 or 3. I hope this is a 2 is okay. 3, 4. 3, 2. I think the 2 is okay. There is we get the on minimum lowest point and the highest point. Lowest point, highest point. So by this we create the zigzag. Okay. Now this is the position. Now we create the first base. This is the base. Base thickness the 12 and 18 the 6 mm. We go home, choose the extrude command and take this, which is 6 back side, not front side. We take it back side because the curvature start from here. This is the lowest point, highest point, lowest point, highest point. This there is not so the distance, but it is approx 20, just half of 40. Okay, we create it. Okay, now we make the road shape. We go to surface, we choose the swift command and choose curvature and select the guide. Guide is the spline from the center line it, and now this is we create it. This is we created it, but there is some problem for the knotting of the so let's we check it. We go to spline, edit with rollback, and check it the position. Okay, here is the not position or not actual. We try to fix it. This, okay. Let's. This is a shape in zigzag. Okay. Let's now we hide all the datum planes and the curvature. Okay. Sorry. Mm, because the hiding in the solid body, face body, no. We hide the sketches, we hide curvatures, we hide the datum planes. Okay, close it. Now on home position, we need to trim the body. We need trim specify plane about this result. Okay, apply. Here from making this, we not choose to the command to join, so unite. We now unite it, this and this. Okay, we need it here. Now we created the backside portion of this. This is the backside portion. This is the round shape, and this area is not round shaped. It's, I show you what is this. I'm choose this portion. Okay, here it is a rectangle shape. We make it. That's it. This dimension 10. It's okay. We make circle out this length. Okay, now we need to quick trim it. This, okay, and here also I make a circle, or this is 10 mm. That's it. We finish it. Connected curve. First we choose the curve for this. It is total height from here is 12. We take it 12. Apply. Here the again we make, sorry, I'm making mistake. I'm sorry. This is it. I am edit it again, but we choose to. We do choose to first stage. Its height is a 10.1. There is 12. It is approx 1.9 mm. 1.9 thickness. Unite command. Okay. This is portion. Again we make a circle here. Half center. Sorry. 10. Okay, finish it. Now we give it its height from 10.1 here. 10.1. This is the height. We unite it. Okay. Now its chamfer 1:45. 1:45. Okay. Here is a hole of 4 mm from 5 mm distance here. Now we go to direct time, choose the extrude command and make 4 mm. We make the geometric constant here, this on this point on line. We choose this. Out of this is For hole making this, we take the symmetry value. This is from outside it, set as much values. This is outside from it, any value. Okay, we now subtract. Okay, this is the hole created. Now our full length of this is this created, but this is not the actual length which we needed, and so this is the actual length needed 106.5 mm. So now for this we create again datum plane. From this position on it, distance is here 1. We feed it distance here 106.5 sorry, its plane created. Here is the datum plane, but it is very small, not shown it. Now we trim body, choose trim body, specify plane, maybe here it, this is here, extra portion we cut it. Okay, we hide the datum coordinate system. This is okay. This is we created it. It is a simple drawing. It is not the technical, not more technical, is not fault, but here is the some words remain. This is here is this is the chamfer. I am not so their value, there is my mistake. It's on the 30 degree. It's 30 degree on it. How can we make it? Now let's do it. We go curvature, projected curve. We take this, specify object on this. This is curvature. We take it. Now here we again choose need to unhide the datum coordinate system. Show. Here we got it. We have the intersection curve. We choose this. Specify face. Here it's created. Okay. There is the one line we created it. We need it for to create the chamfer in this shape. How? I am show it. Go to the sketch, choose plane. Okay, we take some, rotate it. Okay, we create a line from this point, free. Okay, we here this is shape. Now this is angle, from this it's 30, so it's 120 approx. Okay, good. Now we make to it's create a closed curve. This is a closed curve section for making a solid body, to subtract from this for making the chamfer like this. Rotating this is position. Okay, now we make revolve it, or we can choose some command swift from surface. We choose this, select the guide, this it is guide, parameter fix solids. Okay, now we goes to subtract from this. Okay, apply. We hide these curves, we not need it yet. Now our product is ready. This actual shape which we need. I hope you understand it and like it. Okay friends, yeah, this is the product which we need to solution it. Here we hide it. Okay. Okay friend, good luck. I hope you enjoy it. I am trying to make my voice, but here is some cough. make my noise. I hope you like it. This is this this. I'm show you to make it the draft also. It's not take just time. We go to drafting. Choose the paper size. Okay. This is the populated box. We fill up anything will be date and date 3 2 220. My name. My name or the username. No, I'm left it. Okay. There is the positions just like this. I'm delete this and goes to we take seat size 2 is to 1. We take it. Okay. This is look like this. Here also a created a view, side view. Here it is, and here I am created a section view. This is section view from the lowest point and choose approx here. This is the point created it. Here it's the a plane which we later created for the cutting it. We can hide it, the datum plane. It's hiding. We again go to drafting, then it goes. That's the same vision shows here. Okay, this is here is the I'm show the angle. Here is some problem for not showing this angle. Okay, let's make it later. Right now. Okay, I hope you enjoy it. Bye friends. Bye.